Hello and welcome back to my channel, Plus Size in Canada. My name is Miranda and right now it is Thursday night and guess what's coming Friday? 30 centimeters of snow because we didn't have enough yet. We got a lot of snow coming and you know what that means. You gotta have storm chips. It's a way of life here on the East Coast. Also coming tomorrow is a little level 3 lockdown. Cause why not? All jokes aside, shit's get real here, so we're shutting her down for a few weeks to try and help, but I don't know what is going to help because nothing's helped so far. But that's not my problem. I just have to worry about groceries. It is my job as team captain of this house to make sure that my family has everything that they need. And your girl is providing yet again. I got all the storm chips, the craft dinner, the muffins, and I have cases of water from our last storm that we didn't actually lose power. So we still had running water because if you didn't know, we have our own well. That's how we do things around here. So when we don't have power, we don't have water either. It's a great time. And no, I'm not being sarcastic. That is so not me. Winnie and I went shopping at a few of our local stores and we took some clips for you guys. And also we took some clips of the boys playing hockey on the ice. If you didn't know, my Skylar and my Cooper played hockey for years. And we switched over to basketball, which I was like, okay, sounds good to me. I gave them the option one year and they were like, yeah, I'd like to try basketball. And we left the sport that we played like 7 days a week. I was driving. I was 1 week after a C-section with a baby on my titty, sitting in a friggin' cold rink at 6 a.m. My boys played hockey. And when you play hockey here, you're all in. So it's something that I've missed, honestly. The hockey families were so much fun to be around and it was just so nice to watch them play. I just miss watching them play anything. They play basketball now and I love that too, but right now they're not playing anything. So watch these clips of our local stores and of my little hockey boys and I will catch you back here and I'll show you everything that we picked up. astonishes me how little you get for your money when you shop at our grocery store. I used to work at our grocery store, actually. That was my high school job, and I worked there for like a year and a half after I graduated as well. And like, I know, but it's gotten so much worse. Like, there was actually a bag of chips. It was like protein chips, something, not Quest chips, if you've heard of those before. They were in the more natural food section. I ended up getting something from that section, but not these protein puffs or protein chips, because they were $9.29 for a bag of chips. And I was like, yeah, no, girl. I ain't gonna do it, girl. I was just thinking about it. I did not do it because I was like, damn. The only person who's eating those chips is friggin' Beyonce, okay? Or Jeff Bezos. At our dollar store, I did get a few good deals before I moved on to our grocery store. And no matter what, I will always shop at that store. Even though you definitely pay for it, it's so good to have a grocery store within walking distance, and we need it in this village. We really do. There are so many elderly people who rely on that store. There are so many people that don't drive that rely on that store. So I will always support it, and I will always pay for it. It's just like a little bit like, ugh. But I just really did not feel like going to town tonight. And with the news that we were going into a lockdown looming, like that, we just found out a few hours ago. I bet you town is insane right now. Actually, our grocery store, when we parked and we were going into the dollar store, there was a lineup outside of the store, and I was like, oh no, it's happening. Actually, I didn't even buy toilet paper. Did I just screw up? We still have some, but like, I think everyone has PTSD from like the first time this all happened. Anyways, okay, let me show you what I got. I definitely did not get that much. At our dollar store, they had these snack size bags here, which is like, it's a little bit bigger than the small bag. Sizes of bags. These ones were $1, so I got 3 of the Smart Food popcorn for the kids, and then also 3 of the nacho cheese Doritos. The Humpty Dumpty Cheesies were on sale 2 for $1, so I got 4 of the crunchy cheesies, which these are a lot like, if you're wondering, you're like, what the freak's Humpty Dumpty? What are crunchies? These babies would put Chester right in his place. These babies kick Cheetos right out of the water. Winnie also wanted some of the soft cheesies, so we got 4 of those, and those were also 2 for $1. This is what I made earlier today. That, my friends, is a maritime tradition. It's brown bread with molasses. It's molasses bread. It's not whole wheat bread. It's, holy frig, it's good bread. And actually Curtis and his partner, while we were at the grocery store, they stopped off to get some bread. I made 3 loaves this morning and they turned out so perfect. Like, if I wasn't wifed up already, like, wife me up. You know what I mean? I am that good. The secret ingredient that is needed to make brown bread, it's right here, guys. Molasses. Fancy molasses. Here's your one chance, fancy. Okay, I put extra in my bread, okay? I put molasses in my purse. No, I'm just kidding. This stuff right here, though, it is friggin' made right here in New Brunswick, St. John, right up the street there. It's actually, but it's from molasses found in Guatemala. So, cool. Thank you, Guatemala. I love you. Thank you for the molasses. So I spent just under $26 at the dollar store, and I got a couple non-food items. I got another Night light, just in case. I want to have night lights on night lights on night lights. I never want to be without. And this one was really cute. So Winnie and I thought we should pick that up. And then I got some stuff for, what is this day called again? I was gonna call it Leprechaun Day. That ain't it. St. Patrick's Day. That's what it's called. Yes. These are just like window stickies that are so cute. And then the tablecloth as well. I really started celebrating the littler holidays with my family ever since, you know, everything that's gone on. And I said like a couple weeks ago, I don't want to make a big deal out of all these little holidays because I'm tired. But now that like stuff just keeps getting worse, I want to make the most fun for my family that I can. So the extra mile, I'm gonna go it. Okay, we're gonna have fun here. $96 at what I still call Save Easy. That's what it was when I worked there. Our local independent, okay? Craft dinner and over. $100. If I were to just look at that right now, I would say, as a good educated guess, I would say 66, 67, under 70. I would guess $70 range, okay? Like, it's not that much. But no, 96, silly, you know. All you can do is laugh. And credit card debt, you can do that too. For one box of regular KD there, it was $2.29. I got 4 of those, and then the Seashells Choice was $2.59, and I also got 4 of those. This spaghetti was on sale for 99 cents, so I thought, you know what, Winnie, let's grab you some spaghetti. She really enjoys buttered noodles. I know a lot of kids do. She likes a little butter and a little salt. No, nothing red, no veggies, go away. But she does like this. Very plain, so I grabbed that for her for 99 cents. These are Winnie's favorite muffins in the universe, and they were $5.49. And we also got a package of blueberry for Curtis and Cooper. And Curtis and Cooper and Winnie like the chocolate chip ones as well. We got some on sale juice boxes for $1.99. We got a pack of fruit punch. And then because it's a little bit healthier, you know, a little bit more of a whole food, you get 2 less for the apple than you do the grape, the fruit punch, whatever other flavors they had. The apple juice, you pay the same amount for 2 less. They started doing that a few years ago, and I've always bought Minute Maid juice boxes. When I was little, that's what we had too. I'm pretty sure it's like a local company. It's definitely Canadian, but I think there's like Minute Maid factories around here. But when they started lessening the amount of apple juices in the pack, I was like, oh no, they're gonna lessen all of the packages, and it's just happened to the apple juice ones first. And eventually, once the other ones sell out of the ones they have at the store, those will be less as well. But no, it's been multiple years of only 8 in the moose juice, and everything else, there's 10. So no, it wasn't a mistake. It was just like, you're still gonna buy it, aren't you? They got me. My bananas only came up to $2.22. And I was a total sucker and spent $4.99 on the dip for Skylar for snow day. Come on, this is his favorite thing. So I had to hook my boy up. I love him. You know what I'm saying? Every time I say, come on. I am so into Cougar Town right now. I am actually almost finished the entire series, and I'm so sad because honestly, it is hilarious. It is so funny. It is literally Friends all over again, only like, dare I say, a little more funny than Friends was. Even Chandler was on it, and he called, what's her name now? Jules. He called her Monica in the bloopers, and it was so funny. And also Rachel was in it. What's her real name? Jennifer Aniston. She was in it. Like, other characters from Friends were in the show, like as guest appearances. But it's so funny. And one of my favorite characters, he's actually the mayor of the town now. And he says, "Come on," all the time. And every time, I've been saying it so much and it makes me laugh because every time he says it, I laugh. And I'm making myself laugh. I'm that funny. My kids don't think I'm that funny, but I do. And that's all that matters, right? I got some lean ground beef, $6.70. It's really, that was not a bad deal to me. Like, you know, got my beef. $4.99 for these cheese sticks. This right here is like, I don't know, hot dogs, man. Why have you become an expensive item? I got the best deal on dogs that I could. $9.29. $9.29. What bothers me is that in the summer when Costco gets their big package of hot dogs like these, like the regular campfire, friggin' cheap ass barbecue, make you some hot dogs. It's a $5 meal, including the bun and chips. They have massive packages where that's what she said. But those packages, they are under $9 and you're getting 50 to 60 hot dogs. It's like 57, I think. Maybe 56. It's right around there for the same price. It's not it. But my kids will really they'll be happy that I got hot dogs. You know what? They might even just eat them cold, which grosses me out. I remember coming up here one day. It was a little while ago now, but I remember coming up. I needed more water or something. It was like bedtime. Skylar's standing there, no shirt on. Standing there with the fridge light like on him, just opening a package of hot dogs and just chowing them down. Just hot dog one by one. Like, teenagers. Speaking of teenagers, I got them each one of these brisks. They only had 2 left of their favorite, and it was only $1.25 each, so that was actually a really good deal. And we also needed some more almond milk, so I got that. And I didn't forget about Cooper. These are his absolute favorites. He loves chocolate-covered pretzels. The boy has good taste because these are that good. $4.99 for this little bag. But I would say worth it. They are that good. $4.49 for some Ruffles, and this is kind of like a slap yourself in the ass moment when, how many grams? 200 grams for that, $4.49. Come over to my pantry for a moment, and let's look in here. We have an unopened bag of Ruffles all dressed. Let's see how many grams. Where's the grammage? We got 612 grams. Guess how much these are at Costco? $5.49. So for $1 more, you're getting 412 extra grams of chip. If you have a Costco, why aren't you shopping there? I mean, that's a slap in the face. I could have went to Costco tonight. I really could have. I didn't feel like I had it in me. And if you're going to go to Costco, you have to be in the mood because it's worth it, but it can be a very stressful place. So anyways, I got a couple more things. Let me show you. These are the storm chips that I chose for myself. Curtis and I ate these at Christmas. I think I was actually making cookies when we ate an entire bag of one of these, or almost all of them. They are really, really good. And then everyone loves, these are what we call crunchy salties. They are just plain kettle cooked chips. A little salt on that. Delicious. And last and certainly not least, we have Winnie and Cooper's and Curtis's, and I don't want to love it, but I do. These are marshmallows. But they're not like normal marshmallows. These are like chewy marshmallows, and I want to lie to you and say that I hate them and that they're so gross and you should never buy them. But I'm not going to lie because I tell the truth. These are really good. But if you don't want to become addicted to them, don't try them. Don't try them. Because, oh my goodness, I can taste, I literally can taste it. That's what she said. That's it for the grocery haul, you guys. It is 7:30. I gotta like feed my kids supper. Skylar's still down at the rink. I gotta go pick him up soon. Yeah, and that's the haul, y'all. I guess I will see you tomorrow, but it'll still be today. Keep watching. Little update before the next day. I just went on Facebook. I'm putting the groceries away and eating a few of these and starting a pot of water for Winnie's Craft Dinner. I just went on Facebook and I'm a part of like the Moncton Facebook Costco group or whatever. The lineup is around the store outside. And when you get into the store, there are no baked goods. The produce is down, like they put pictures. It's like Armageddon. So yeah, I made the right call. Oh man, I'm trying not to get stressed, you guys. I'm really trying. Okay, I'm gonna be okay. But that does stress me out. But I'm gonna be all right. All right.
These are delicious.
See you guys tomorrow.
Bye.
Good morning. It's storm day. What's going on, Jazz?
Dad, where are we going?
Where are we going, buddy? We're going to Grampy's house, huh?
Will you go see Lou?
You want to go see
her.
Lulu?
She's right there.
There's Lulu.
Lulu.
She's running.
Lulu, I got your best friend.
Go.
Okay, Lou.
Hi. You're back together again, you guys. It's so exciting. Oh my heck. Grampy did some trails, you guys, so we can go on some trails here too.
Let's go.
That is so sweet.
Oh.
You're starting off the trail not on a trail, so it might be a little tough going there for a minute.
Guys, follow me.
Looks like we need some more snow, eh, guys? Yeah, a little 30 centimeters, you know, a ruler. No big deal. We came here last night to help my dad with a technical issue. And I felt so bad because we did not bring Jasper because I was going to the grocery store and I didn't. And actually, I was dropping the boys off at the rink as well. And all their stuff was in the back. There was just no room for Jasper anyways. But when we got home, he was so mad at me. Like, he sniffed me for a good 5 minutes and he was like, how dare you? He knew that I came to see Lulu without him. So here we are this morning. I told him last night, I was like, don't worry, bud, don't worry. Ooh, actually, I still haven't tried out that hot tub. Might need to do that soon. But anyways, we're here now. He's going to get very tired very quickly because Lulu has a lot of energy and she is a good match for Jasper, but I think her puppiness just has a little bit more puppy still in it than Jasper does. So he'll be tired soon. And then I'm hoping to go for a walk with him before it starts to snow. So we'll see. Also, I wanted to show you guys my ring. My Aunt Jen, my sister-in-law Jen, got me a Charmed Aroma candle for Christmas. And the ring fits. Like, fat girl problems. I was really worried the whole time. I'm thinking it's probably going to be like a super small ring. It probably won't fit my fat fingers. Maybe it'll be a pinky finger. You know what I mean? And like, if you're a bigger girl, you know. Because when you get something that's like one size fits all, it's like... okay. But I didn't know. Maybe she picked the size. I actually just sent her a few videos because I just took it out of the candle. So a Charmed Aroma candle is like a regular candle, but you pay more for it because on the inside there's either a necklace or a ring. And this was a Minnie Mouse one. You may have seen it in a couple vlogs because I've been burning it for a while. And actually it seems to last a little longer than a Bath and Body Works candle, which is pretty cool. I haven't really like hyped it up too much because this company actually reached out to me last year, or yeah, it was last year because now we're in 2022. But last year at some point they reached out to me on Instagram and they wanted me to basically pimp out their candles, and the terms and conditions were just like, no, like I'm super happy with the product. And if the company wanted to send me stuff for free and say, yeah, just talk about it in your vlog. You don't have to like mention anything in particular. Just talk about it, burn them at your own like speed that you want to, and just enjoy the product. Let us know what you think. Then I would have absolutely, yeah, because I was so excited when they told me they wanted to work with me. I was like, oh my heck, like I've been actually wanting to buy Charmed Aroma candles because they do have so many Disney ones. And they told me to pick out which ones that I wanted, and I did, and it was all a go. And then they sent me the terms and conditions. Jasper pooped. They sent me the terms and conditions, and I was like, yeah, never mind. And it was just, you know, you've probably noticed when people sometimes get sponsored, it seems like they're reading a script, and that's very much what it would have been. And I would have had to burn the candles in its entirety, all of them, for the video, and shown what was inside, all of them for the video. It was too much of a commercial for me, and I don't want to do that to you guys because I want to like bring you stuff that I actually like and give you my actual opinions, not reading a script of exactly the points that I have to say. But that being said, I'm pretty happy. This is a size 9. I don't know if Jen picked out the size or not, but this is a size 9. My wedding ring is a size 6. So yeah, that's why I haven't been wearing it. But now I'm basically married to Jennifer and we're sister wives now. And I love it. Like I feel like I'm wearing a ring on my ring finger and I'm married and it's Minnie Mouse and it's perfect. And Curtis is only a little bit sad that he didn't buy it for me because he really likes it too, but he won't admit it. Because he's just like, yeah, whatever, shut up about it. I love it. And Curtis, feel free. You can buy me more. Like, I'll wear your ring too, babe. Just go ahead. But anyways, that's my thoughts on the company. I actually enjoy the product, but I won't. You guys can trust me. Like, I'm not going to bring you guys commercials here unless it's a product that legitimately I love and they're a company that lets you give your own opinions and thoughts, and you don't have to read a script. Cheers to honesty and genuineness. That's here for sure.
Hello, I'm Glenn from the Superstore. How you doing? Welcome to the store.
Glenn's here, guys!
I'm Glenn from the Superstore.
What'd you say, Win? I'm your biggest fan, Glenn.
I'm your biggest fan.
You having fun, guys? Yeah?
Over at the chairs and eating snow.
Oh, tasty. Oh, cute. What a big boy.
I didn't. I think Jasper's faster than Lulu.
I don't know.
I don't think
She's
so.
pretty fast, and she's light on her feet, and she can jump so
I
high.
think Lulu's faster than Jasper.
Yeah, I think you're right, Boober
I
Man.
don't think so. I don't think so.
I think Jasper's a little bit more cranky than Lulu.
I think Boober's right. I think Lulu's way faster.
Yeah. Lulu took him down! Look at that. All right, I'm going to go grab my bathing suit. Yeehaw! Pretty good snow? Yeah, nice. This is the life. This is the life. Be careful! We're going for a walk around the yard. This is like lap number 10 for me. And the crew's with me now. It's a little icy, but I haven't fallen.
That's grass. That's the grass.
It's okay, buddy. I'm out for my walk alone. Jasper hurt his paw while playing with Lulu. Right before we left, I noticed there's like a little patch of snow with blood on it, and I was like, dang it. So one of the dogs is bleeding. So we did a little investigating with the help of Addie and Boober and Winnie. And Winnie learned the term false alarm. So she's saying that like crazy right now. Anyways, Jasper, it's the webbing. I thought it was maybe a nail because sometimes he hurts his nails. He's got kind of brittle nails, not as brittle as our old dog Ryder's nails were, but sometimes they crack or they lift and you get blood. It's not his nail. It's in the webbing of his paws, or paw. It's just one of his back paws. So he couldn't come for a walk with me. I feel so bad. And I was like, are you sure, Curtis? He's like, Miranda, he needs to lay down. And I mean, he's already had enough exercise for today anyways. It's so much more fun going for a walk with him than with myself. I guess it just gives my walks a little more purpose when I'm walking the dog. So anyways, I'm doing it without him and hopefully it's nothing serious. Curtis got it wrapped up just so it would stop bleeding. We can't even actually see where, like what kind of abrasion has happened. But hopefully it's probably nothing too big of a deal. And I'm sure he'll be better soon. But I did get in the Jeep and drive and park and went for a walk in the village instead of like where he would literally watch me walk away from the house, because he really loves his walks with Mama. And he would have been like, Mom, what are you doing? You're leaving me here. So I cheated and pretended that I was going shopping, and now he will never know that he missed a walk. Hopefully he only has to miss today's walk. It hasn't started snowing yet. It's 1 o'clock in the afternoon and it hasn't started snowing. I think it's going to start soon. And then it's not supposed to stop snowing until tomorrow between like 1 and 2, maybe 3, like tomorrow afternoon. Tomorrow's going to be a wash too. So we'll be staying home. But I love home days. I'm back from my walk, and hey, Kurt, grab that and pull. That's what she said. I'm back from my walk. I stopped off. I actually stopped off at the flea market while I was out in town, and I got a few things, but that'll be in tomorrow's vlog. So make sure you're subscribed, and you'll see that tomorrow. I even got something for Curtis, which he really likes. Does it bother anyone else? Does this... It bothers me. It bothers me in a way that I cannot explain. Doesn't that drive you nuts? Just...
Yeah.
I can't handle, like, oh! I can't even handle that. Like, you almost dropped my pills all over the floor. Curtis and the boys are gonna go skating at the rink.
We'll see if my rusty skates still have what it takes.
How's
It
our
rhymed.
how's our patient's paw?
He's fine.
Yeah.
Now that I took his bandage off.
Does he know I went for a walk?
Don't say the word.
Are you okay, little baby? Are you okay? Mama's boy. You okay? Is your paw still hurting? I'm sure you got an ouchie. Yes, I am. Look what Curtis did. Curtis, you are annoying. He opened all the friggin' cabinets just to bother me. I'm over here soaking my baby and people are trying to make me think my house is haunted. Not cool.
What happened?
Ow! And yes, Cooper now wears his jerseys backwards. That's the cool thing to do. Are you sniffing? Are you smelling me? And you can tell that I went for... Literally licked in my mouth. It's warm. And so it begins. I just ate a dill pickle salad with some chicken. It is actually 3:20 right now, and that was just my lunch because I took time to go for the walk and go shopping. My lunch got pushed back a little bit, but I'm having some flat sweets because I've been feeling the urge to binge badly the last couple days. I'm thinking it's likely because I've been like a little bit stressed with the channel and everything, and I think it's just like I just want to turn off the feelings again. Like I'm very self-aware. I've come a long way. We've come a long way, baby. I'm self-aware, and I get it. I understand why I don't want to feel anymore and why I want to just numb out and eat some damn good food. I totally understand myself and my reasoning. And I actually think, like, at least in my head, it makes sense. And I don't think there's anything wrong with feeling like you want to binge or like overeat, eat all of the things in an amount that would be unhealthy. I think a lot of people actually do that, whether they're aware of it or not. I think it's how some people cope, and absolutely, that is how I cope. That's my addiction. Some people drink, some people do drugs, and I overeat. So I'm self-aware, and I'm proud of myself for that. So what I'm trying to do now, like today, I'm making a point to, every time that idea pops in my head, I'm shutting it down with love and being like, Miranda, like, you could do that. You could. And then tomorrow morning you'll wake up and you'll be like, oh, damn it. And that's such a bad feeling. And if you've ever been there, then you know. And it's a really bad feeling. Actually, to be totally honest, yesterday I made brown bread. Okay. Oh, I guess this vlog is actually like 2 days. So you know, I made brown bread. I ate 6 slices of brown bread yesterday, which is a lot. It's a lot, especially for me, and my slices were thick. Okay. I didn't know for sure how safe I would feel baking bread, and it's really good, you guys. Like, in my defense, it is that good, okay? And I specifically remember when I was pregnant with Skylar, Curtis's mom made us brown bread. I ate the entire loaf in one day. And Curtis remembers it too. I was addicted to brown bread when I was pregnant for Skylar. I ate so much of it with melted cheese on it. Oh, anyways. I actually have a headache right now too. I don't know why. Maybe it's related to stress. And like, for everybody's like, just take a break, just take a break. I totally will if I feel like I need to. I totally will if I feel like I need to. I don't feel like I need a break. I'm just expressing what's going on and being real. And I don't actually feel like I need a break. I think stepping back from the comment section a little bit, I'm still definitely in the comment section multiple times every day. But I'm not going to spend hours in there anymore. Mentally, it is just not good for me. And that has given me back some time just doing that. So, I feel good about it. Today's Pizza Friday. Today's Pizza Friday. I don't know if we're going to do pizza or not. The boys likely will want to. I don't know. I think I would be fine. It's just, especially on Pizza Friday, that's a kind of day where I could tip the scales. Okay, like in both ways, I guess. Like I could totally stuff myself and eat so much junk food on top, not junk, I don't like the word junk food, sometimes food, like treats. I would eat so much more than just pizza. But I am actually successfully learning to eat a slice, a salad, and a couple garlic fingers. Like I'm doing good with that. Look how this kid's taking a drink. That's where I keep their water bottles. Instead of picking it up, you just gotta take a drink like that. I think you're pretty cute. Just like Toothless Joe's cute. So I will tell you a big win that I had this morning. What? You hit your butt. Oh no.
What? From Jazzy over there.
Over there? Is he still wet from the snow?
Yeah.
Yeah, probably, huh? So this morning I got up extra early to have a shower because Addie and Boober were still coming early this morning. So yeah, I got up at 5:30 just for a shower.
Guys.
Basically, I just really needed to wash my hair because I could have a shower once they were here. Because body showers don't take very long, but when I wash my hair, it does take a long time. But I had one of those mornings this morning when I woke up and I was like, oh, I ate so much brown bread. And when I made the brown bread, I was like, okay, what is a fair amount for me to have? I was like, 2 slices, that's totally fair. You just made 3 loaves of bread. Having 2 slices is like, yeah, you should do that. So then I had 2, and then I had another one, and then I had another one, and then I had 2 more. And actually, maybe I did eat the crust of some other bread. I might have even had more than that, but it felt like 6, okay? But I woke up this morning and I was feeling disappointed, and got in the shower, washed my hair, whatever. I wasn't even thinking much at all because I was so tired. But when I got out of the shower, I wrapped myself up in the towel and like I was drying off or whatever, and I wrapped myself up in the towel to get out of the shower or the bath or whatever, like where I was standing. And I looked at the towel and I was like, whoa. Miranda, where'd you go? Because the towel could cover me, like all the way. Like there wasn't like it wasn't falling apart. Like I could actually like wrap it. You know what I mean? It's fat girl problems. You might not understand if you've never been there, but my body was too big for a towel to fit around and to be able to tuck into itself. And I remember when that happened, I remember many times that I've had that moment where I can do that again because like I'm a serial dieter. Like I've been in diet culture for way too long. I've lost weight, I've gained weight, like it's been horrible, but now I'm trying to, you know, love myself and just be healthy. Anyways, that was like, it was such a good moment for me. Like I literally stood there naked with the towel. I literally stood there and just like, I couldn't be loud. I didn't wake up Curtis. I did tell Curtis though. I was going to say, I don't think I told Curtis, but I think I did when he woke up. Did I? Or did I just think about telling him? I think I told him. Anyways, it's fine. I was so proud of myself because like, I'm just being healthy. This is the first time that I've lost weight without restricting. I'm proud of myself. I really am. Okay. See, like sometimes I just need little reminders, you know, little reminders. It helps. And I never, ever, ever thought
Where's it going?
I never thought I could do it like this. I thought it always had to be all or nothing. Like I thought it had to be hot or cold, no in between. But this is totally doable for the rest of my life. It is. I don't want to like have the emotional eating side of it for the rest of my life, but I might. But I just need to like take more time to myself and learn other things that make me feel better, make me cope better with whatever's going on. Yeah, new strategies maybe. Anyways, I'm sorry if I keep talking about this and you're not interested in knowing about this. Just fast forward it when I start talking like this. But like, I just want to share my thoughts, and like, I know a lot of you are on this journey with me, or you are preparing to start a journey. It's just good. It's a good conversation to have. And I feel like this kind of conversation should happen more often, because it's not just oh my heck, look at me, I lost 100 pounds. It was so easy, because that's bullshit. It's better to know the full story and what it took actually day in and day out to lose that 100 pounds. Like, do I think I will lose 100 pounds? Maybe not. Honestly, I'm not setting a goal weight. I'm not setting a goal size at all. I'm not doing that. I don't have a goal outfit. I basically don't even have a goal. It's just I want to live. That's goal enough. I feel like I just want to be here for as long as I can, as healthy as I can. And there's not a point where I get to the goal and then it's like, all right, that's done. Where's the donaires? Like, you know what I mean? It's going to be just, this is me now. Every day, this is me. And I hope that I don't have to get more serious about it, because I enjoy this being able to eat in moderation. I'm enjoying that. Of course, I'm scared that I'm going to get diabetes. Of course I am. I've been warned basically every single time I've gone to the doctor since I was like 17, 18. I've been warned, oh, well, you might get diabetes. And every time I was pregnant, they tested me so many times for gestational diabetes, because they just thought there's no way a fat girl can not get gestational diabetes. Like, they just expected me to have it. The amount of times that word's been said with me in the room, I always hear it. So I hope I don't have to learn how to live with that, because that's just going to stress me out and I don't want to. But if I have to, I will. I want to just live as long as I can, which is saying something, because there were times in my life where I didn't want to. So I'm happy. I want to be here. And look at me sharing all this right here on YouTube with thousands of people. Pizza.
I'll get you to try that. I feel like that's something you would like. Oh, that sounds like...
We got pizza and a salad.
Does he want
Oh, yeah. Go for it, Mama.
I'm gonna get these two because they have the most sauce.
Ooh, that
I'm
sounds
gonna
good.
get a plate.
Okay. Yum, yum, yum. I actually sat down to try to edit the vlog. I was like, yeah, let's just order pizza. This guy's got a friend over for the night. And I was like, yes, let's just order pizza. That sounds like a good idea. So Curtis ordered it, and I was like, I'm gonna start editing. I got all the videos uploaded onto downloaded onto my laptop. And then what happened to Mommy?
Oh, she fell asleep.
With the laptop on my lap?
You got hair in my eye.
I'm sorry.
It's yours.
What's...
Blinking.
I got the salad out. I want to show you how good the Pizza Mill Caesar salad looks. Bam. This is literally delicious. Look at this beauty. So good. So good. You want a bite?
Not today.
Okay. Have you ever tried lettuce in your whole life?
No.
It's green, so that means that it's healthy.
And because I'm not restricting, I'll show you. I just ate a garlic finger. I got another one. Got some donair sauce and a slice of pizza. Moderation, balance, and my towel fits, y'all. It's a good day. Are you hungry? We're having a little date over here. Curtis is about to come sit with us and we're gonna watch Raymond. We love it. Don't we?
I knew she was gonna
Hi.
notice.
Want to play Baker in the Mine Shaft?
You want some butter?
The majority of the snow is actually gonna fall tonight while we're sleeping. The wind hasn't picked up yet, and I am hoping that it will wait until the morning to start getting super windy. Curtis has gone to work for the night, but he's actually working very close to home. He's only a few minutes away from the house. He's working in our small town tonight, so hopefully he will have a good night. It's Friday night. I do not have high hopes for that. But actually the fire department's already been out on a few calls as well. So it's already very slippery out there. But I'm hoping that maybe we won't lose power at all. But also maybe we just won't lose power in the night. Because that'll wake everybody up. That's the way. Does that happen at your house? At my house, literally when the power goes out, maybe not the boys, depending on what time they go to bed at, wakes her up every time. Every single time. Anyways, she's very intuitive, that one. She's like her mother. So we are going to say bye for now, and we will see you back here again tomorrow.
Bye. I gotta go up here.
See you guys tomorrow. Love you. Bye.